In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to extend drive or disk in Windows 11 without using a software. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the File Explorer. Click on this one. And the moment you click on it, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see this PC that contains your C drive or hard disk. In my case, I have two drive here or disk here, which are my C drive or local disk, as well as my D drive, which is my USB drive. Okay. So in order to extend a specific drive here without using a software, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the disk management. So the disk management window contains all of the disk, the volume, the USB drive, the partition that you have here, which are present in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to select the drive that you would like to extend or that you would like to create a drive with. Okay, by that, make a right click and click on the shrink volume. The moment you click on it, it will start on appearing this window. It will show this one. So here you need to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So let's say for example in my case, I would like to create a new drive which has an MB for 1000 or 1 gigabyte to be converted into gigabyte. So click on next, okay, or shrink. Okay, and it will mark here unallocated. So by that, we need to make a right click and create a new simple volume. And this new simple volume wizard window would appear. Please click on next, and please assign for a following drive letter. So click on this down arrow key and choose the drive letter that you would like to go with. Click on next here, click on this down arrow key and choose among of this three system file or file system. So click on next, and by that, click on finished. And in a few moments, you would be able to create or extend your drive without even using a software here in your Windows 11. So you would be able to be automatically navigated to your File Explorer. So navigate again to your disk PC and you can see that this from two drive in my case, I have now three drives out of this D drive as my main partition or primary partition. So click on it and here you can now use this new drive or new partition that you have created. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.